I just set up the easiest winter wonderland party using 3 sets of these honeycomb trees. To achieve this look, we combined 2 sets of the natural pastel blue with 1 set of the natural green. They range in size from 12 inches tall, 7 inches wide, down to 6 inches tall, 4 inches wide, but all together in a group, they make quite a beautiful state. They all arrived flat packed like this, super easy to put together, and they store super easy like this when you get done. The main thing I like about these is they have a magnet that attaches the pieces, so you don't have to worry about tape. Most of these have 2 to 3 magnets, and you have your gold rim detail on the outside. You simply pull them apart accordion style, and you can align the magnets step by step. They literally click together, and then the honeycomb branches out, and you have a beautifully shaped tree. It's really that simple. And at the end of the party or the season, you just do the reverse, and they fold back flat, good to go. I really like that they come in a range of heights, sizes, widths, and colors. They also have different silhouette lines, so even though they're similar, the difference just adds a little bit of texture and interest. They are completely reusable, and I love that they kind of have a neutral, cooler color palette. It runs really well with either a holiday style or just winter in general. So I guess if I had to pick my favorite things, I love the assorted sizes for flexibility. I love the different tonality for the holiday charm. I love that 3D accordion honeycomb design. It has depth, texture, looks good from every angle. The quick magnetic assembly could not be easier, no tools at all. And I do love that they are reusable, foldable. The glitter does not shed, but it adds a little bit of highlight, especially if you use candles or any other reflective things. Space saving, festive centerpiece. They are the perfect addition to my holiday decor. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.